Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at some more synonyms, words that have similar meanings and are often confused. One of my students said, "Uncle Geoff, can you help me with these 4 words?" I always get them confused. We have continual, continuous, consecutive, and successive. What's the difference? How can I use them? Can you help? Yes, I can. Let's take each one in turn and we'll start with continual. Continual means something that stops and starts, or it occurs at regular intervals. For example, with continual rain, you may get some sunshine in between the showers. Continuous means non-stop, something that continues without interruption. So, with continuous rain, you will never see the sun. You'll be pleased to hear that even native speakers get continual and continuous wrong. The next 2, consecutive and successive, are true synonyms. They are almost always interchangeable. The meaning is almost exactly the same. They both mean that a situation, an event, numbers follow one another. However, with consecutive, one thing follows another without any gaps. For example, we've had 7 consecutive days of rain. It's rained every single day. With successive, one thing follows another, but there are gaps in between. For example, we've had 10 successive days of rain. So not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but perhaps Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. And in everyday conversation, in general usage, one word, consecutive or successive, is used more commonly in certain situations. For example, we often say, "It's been raining for 3 consecutive days." We don't say, "It's been raining for 3 successive days." So usage plays a big part. Similarly, we'll talk about consecutive numbers rather than successive numbers. So there we are. English grammar, synonyms, 4 words, very similar, 2 almost the same, and 2 often confused. Synonyms in English, maybe not so easy peasy, but Uncle Geoff is always here to help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.